Today's the day, my friends, and what I wanted to accomplish. I didn't see that anywhere yet, so I'm going to try to explain it as best as I can. So instead of using a remote control or RC controller prefab with the receiver and the transmitter, I'm going to use a microcontroller and the XB. So first, I want to figure out things. The way I had wire before is the exception that I didn't use the 5V here. I was using the 5V through the USB cable, and then I was using the 9V here. And then feeding this to the two joystick. I had two joysticks, now I have one, you'll figure out later why. So basically here for reference, the pin setting. So you start from 1, it's off, then on, off. Then, most important thing that gave me a lot of problems, the 5V used to feed the joystick and the Arduino through V5. Don't use the VIN, use V5. Then the two analog 0 and 1 to the joystick. Filtering it through pin 6.5, pulse width modulation, and I set the frequency to in my program, I think. Yeah. So basically 1000 to 2000. And it's going to S1 and S2. So I have it switch 4 is up. So they're not independent, okay? And that's what I want. Because the ultimate goal, my friend, was to control two motors with one joystick using X's and Y, X and Y axis. So there you go. So basically, with forward, both motor sync together. It's pretty smooth through the program that I did backward. And that's I want to go left. Or right. Or backward. I don't know if you can do both. That's weird. Anyway, you get the picture. Perfect. One joystick. I'll have plenty of space on my Arduino if I want to add more stuff to it. And most importantly, leverage the 5V from the Sabertooth, trust me. And obviously, a nice program that took me a while to figure out. So that's it. Thanks.